Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Crypto. We're going to take a quick look at the crypto markets, look at some prices in the Archangel ecosystem. Look at those prices, see if we got any updates. So right now, which is April 19th, Crypto Fear and Greed Index is 27, same as yesterday, 27, which is fearful. Last week, 25 extreme fear, and last month, 30 fearful. If we look at the entire crypto market cap, it is $1,917 billion. It is up 1% today. Bitcoin dominance 41.0%, Ethereum dominance 19.4%. Ethereum gas fees right now 41 GUI. If we go to the Guardian platform and we go to token data, we look at the top gainers and losers. I see Chopper Inu's down 96%. Maybe they went to a new contract, not sure. If we look at the coin and token prices, Bitcoin right now is at $41,346. It's up 1.45% today. It's up almost 5% on the week, and it's down 1.5% on the month. Ethereum price, $3,086. It's up 1% today and 4% up on the week and 5.7% up on the month. If we scroll through the top 25, most all the tokens and coins are up for the day and the week, so that's positive. If we take a look at Algorand coin, which is number 30, it's 75.2 cents. It's up 2.3% today and up 9% on the week, still down 1% on the month. If we dive into Archangel ecosystem projects, we're going to look at Scratch token, which is an external project of Archangel, but 1% of the buy and sell transactions get sent to the Archangel staking pool. Today the price is, what's this? 10.09873 for Scratch. It is up 2.5% today. Volume today, $4,400. Another ecosystem project of Archangel is Guardian Token, and they are an internal project of Archangel. That means 2% of their buy and sell transactions get sent to the staking pool for Archangel. And they are up 1.6% today. What's this? 7 zeros? Let's look. Yeah, 7 zeros, 4333. Good number. Volume today, $2,600. Low volume. If we dive into Archangel token, it is, what do we have here? 901052. It's up 1.3% today. Positive. Volume today, really low, $1,100. Not that much. So we'll take a better look at the chart. We zoom out a little ways. Where are we going? We're going end of February all the way to today. We'll zoom in a little bit. We have these downward sloping trend lines, a downward sloping resistance line that it crossed over. When was this? This was yesterday, about 4 p.m. And this other downward sloping resistance line, hopefully it stays above that, because if you keep going down forever, well, that's no good. And it's not really support at all, right? Anyway, hopefully it'll stay above that. Like to see it bounce back up and go in this channel even higher, but we'll see how this plays out. So if we go back to Guardian Platform, guardianplatform.io, and we go to Marketers Hub, let's see if we have anything new here. Cypto Deb, man, that's new here. I like Cypto Deb. I've been following Cypto Deb for a long time, since I got into crypto, just like Molt Money and Brian Makes Benjamin. So I'm glad that Cypto Deb is on the Marketers Hub for Guardian Platform, so that's positive. I think I'm gonna have to go to her Twitter page and I'm gonna have to tweet that out. That's all amazing. All right, we're going to take a look at the news on Guardian Platform. Market news, top of the list. It says April 20th, which is tomorrow. Amazing. Bitcoin continues to flow out of exchanges. Bitcoin is quickly leaving exchanges at a rate not seen in years, with almost 80,000 Bitcoin being removed off platforms over the last 30 days. That is a lot of Bitcoin. Decentraland price analysis. Mana targets 20% upswing with bullish formation. Man, I have a story to say about a Decentraland Mana token. It's an anecdotal story of my own, okay? So I joined crypto at the end, November 2022. November 2020, not 2022. My bad. Somebody said, hey, look at this crypto stuff. I said, okay, so I opened a Coinbase wallet. I opened a Coinbase account. Whatever. I send in like $100 or something like that. But on Coinbase, you can watch all these videos and learn about crypto. So I did that, and I made like $25. I sold all those tokens they gave me, and I bought Decentraland Mana token because it was on there, and it was like 8 cents. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. I think I ended up with 132 tokens. That number rings a bell. And I'm like, I need to learn crypto. So I got a Coinbase wallet, and I sent it from my Coinbase account to the Coinbase wallet, and it just sat there, whatever. And I learned more about crypto and did other crypto stuff. I bought more mana token along the way, bought and sold, blah, blah, blah. Went from 11 cents to 20 cents to like $1.40, and then back down, and it went up and down. And then I was like, I had 4,000 mana token. And I said, man, I'm going to sell that because there's another project that I wanted to put my money into. I had 4,000 mana token. It was less than $1. I sold it. So I got like 3,000 something dollars, a little bit less than $4,000. Cool, right? And then the next week, Facebook says, hey, we're changing our name from Facebook to Meta. And what happened to all the metaverse tokens? Man, they went through the charts, okay? Mana token went all the way up to like $4 and something. And I was like, dang, man, I could have had 16 grand, 16 bands, but I didn't. That's one of those times, you're like, crap. Anyway, time goes by, a couple months, and I said, man, I still have that in my Coinbase wallet, which I never used, right? So I looked at my Coinbase wallet, 132 mana tokens. But before that, I was like, I need to get this money out of here and put it into something else, but I never did because back in at the end of 2020, gas fees were really low, but then they started to creep up. So it's not even worth sending $20 of a token back to your Coinbase account to change it to something else when it costs you $20 in gas. I didn't have any Ethereum in there, I had a little bit of Ethereum in there, but not like, you guys don't remember gas fees last year. It was like, man, it got crazy high just to move tokens. Anyway, there was a point when it got a little bit less, and mana token, like I said, it was above $4, and I was like, that's $400, okay? Sent it back to my Coinbase wallet, sent it to Coinbase Pro, and I sent a sell order for $5.71 for mana, sold it all, and I was like, man, that's awesome. So my sell order made it. It ended up making me like $700, and it was all free money from Coinbase, which is crazy, from the beginning. Of course, it took me 9-10 months to get there. And if I would have been more patient, I would have had a lot more money. But that's besides the point. What I'm saying, and what's mana at? We're talking about the high right here. It could go up a whole bunch to $2.80, dude. So it was like 100% more than what it was now when I sold it, which is cool. Anyway, I took that money and I bought 2 NFTs. I haven't talked about this project at all, and I'm not going to really talk about it again. I'm not deep into this project, but I have some of their NFTs, and it is Bad Baby Dinos. They've got a game. They're in the metaverse. They're in Sandbox. They have, a whole bunch of stuff going on, but they were selling, originally it was 10,000 NFTs. Now then it changed to 7,777. If you got in, the price was 0.05 ETH. Of course, that was last year when ETH was around $4,500, so it's a lot more than it is now. But anyway, all I'm saying is I got free tokens from Coinbase. I bought Decentraland with it. I sat on it for a while. It went off the charts. I sold it at the top. That's the only move I ever made that was positive, because honestly, I am down a shit ton. I'm down a crap ton of money on investments with crypto. That's the only one that actually worked out for me. Sorry, I totally digress. Back to the news, okay? What's this? I was just talking about Sandbox. Sandbox sets $4 billion valuation. That's a lot. Seeking to raise $400 million? Oh, we have to read more. According to sources privy to the matter, metaverse startup Sandbox is on the verge of starting a fresh round of raising capital at a valuation of $4 billion. That's a lot. The company aims to raise approximately $400 million, targeting both existing and new investors. What? Sandbox proprietor Animoca Brands. I didn't know Animoca Brands owned Sandbox. Maybe I did know that, but I totally forgot. Animoca Brands doesn't have a token. If I could invest in Animoca Brands, I would do it today. I would sell half my crypto and I'd put it in Animoca Brands. Not financial advice, just a random guy over here. Anyway, long time ago, you used to be able to invest in them, but not right now. I don't know. I don't know how you could do it. The start over. Sandbox proprietor Animoca Brands Corporation is in negotiations with potential investors. The details like valuation and size, new funding round may yet change depending on market forces and demand from investors. Interesting. The Sandbox, one of the giants in the metaverse realm, alongside projects such as Decentraland, is a play-to-earn platform constructed on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to purchase, sell, trade, and own virtual assets, usually the form of NFTs. Gameplay on the metaverse involves users exploring the game's landscape in the metaverse and purchasing a piece of it, land. Land in the Sandbox is a plot of land in the platform of an ERC 721 token on the Ethereum blockchain, okay? The Sandbox's claim to fame came when it launched its 2 namesake games on mobile, and they garnered over 40 million downloads in total. The project then stepped into the blockchain by setting up projects that allow user-generated content with the marketplace where assets could be traded as NFTs. The Sandbox ecosystem comprises more than 2 million registered users, a milestone that's celebrated alongside the launch of their new build named Alpha Season 2. I think they're going to continue to have seasons. I'm not sure, man. I'm not in Sandbox. I own a little tiny bit of Sandbox once they got listed. The only place I could find it was on Gemini, so I opened a Gemini account. I bought some sand. I was kind of waiting. I was kind of hoping that they would be on like Coinbase, and that would give it a little pump. Not that I would sell it all, but I'd sell some. Just trying to make a little bit of money. But that didn't really play out for me too well. Now I'm about down 50% on my sand. That's what happens when you buy last October and November at the all-time high and you sink pretty much a crap ton of your money into it. No worries. Blah, blah, blah. Cry me a river. Projects investing in Sandbox. Major global brands have also ventured in the Sandbox and purchased plots, including Adidas and what is this? Care for SA, I don't know what that is. Warner Brothers has also taken possession of a plot of the Sandbox, and it also on which it plans to host virtual concerts. That's rapper Snoop Dogg featured his digital double dancing, not sure what the hell that means, in the music video of his new single, House I Built, which was filmed in the metaverse. That's pretty cool. Metaverse's global market value is projected to grow from $45.4 billion in 2019 to astounding $1.5 trillion by 2030. Dang. While HSBC might be the prolific financial player to enter the metaverse space, this could set off a chain reaction for other institutions to engage in Web3. So is what? Oh, we got to read more. We're going to read the whole damn article, right? It's really short. The market capitalization of the Sandbox project was $3.27 billion at press time, whereas the platform native token Sand was valued at $2.82. The blockchain gaming firm Animoca Brands Corporation raised $93 million in Series B funding, which SoftBank Vision Fund led in November 2021. Notably, this represents the Vision Fund's first foray into the crypto asset space, and the funds are touted to help accelerate the development of the Sandbox open metaverse. I don't know, man. There's a lot going on over there. There's a lot going on at Decentraland. There's a lot going on in Sandbox. I don't know, man. I don't even know where to go from here. I don't even know. I can't. I don't even know. I can't spend time there. It's crazy. I can't go down that rabbit hole or spend time in the Sandbox. I don't play games. My kids aren't on Sandbox. Just saying. But honestly, if Animoca Brands owns them, Animoca Brands has like 5, 6, 7, 8 really super dope games coming out that are play-to-earn crypto games. I don't know. I'm not shilling for Animoca Brands or Sandbox. All right, that's pretty much it for the news, but we're going to read one more, maybe two. Just headlines. Australia is set to list first Bitcoin ETF on Cboe next week. That's pretty cool. Oh man, here's an article on Animoca Brands. What? It's all coming together. Animoca Brands acquires Aussie's digital agency report. Man, we got to read. All right, just real quick. The blockchain gaming platform Animoca Brands reportedly purchased the Aussie digital agency B Media. The latter will become Australian marketing arm of Animoca. Well, that's pretty cool. Which plans to double down on its NFT and metaverse endeavors. I have no idea where that's going to go, but keep an eye on Animoca Brands. Just saying. And they don't have a token and they don't have stocks. I don't know how you can get in on that, but They have a lot of projects that have tokens, so might be worth looking into. All that being said, just a quick look at the market, quick look at the news, and the Archangel ecosystem project. So cool. That's Cypto Deb is on Marketer's Hub on Guardian. I like to see that, and just some growth, just some growth there. Appreciate you guys tuning into the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. All right.
Good day, sir.